Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today we got some Fusion Strike packs. So we got like 11 of them right here. So we're gonna open up one every single day. So until, maybe two, something like that. So we're gonna start off here with the Mew pack. So let's see what we can pull in the Mew pack. Alrighty. Start off with a black code card. Woo! That's a good sign, good sign, good sign. Alright, we got a Steel Energy. Got a Quick Ball. Got a Sharpedo. Got a Hippoterra. Got a Tordero. Got a, I don't know what the heck that is. Got a Snorlax. Got a Snaw. We got that one. Rare, we got a Junior. And for a good card, we got again the Lucario V. Wanna know something funny? I pulled the same exact card at the card shop earlier today. That's the same card. And the same card that I just pulled there. Hilarious. That's funny. But yeah, same card. Alright. Well, let's pull another one, guys. Start off with the Gengar pack. Let's do another one. Right here, Gengar. We're open up two today, actually. Let's see what we got. That was just really weird. Alright, sorry guys. This time we got a white code card. So, no good card there. 1, 2, 3, 4 in front. Maybe. Oh, never know. Got a Steel Energy. Oh, wait. We got that one. Got that one. Got that one. We got Rotom. Got a Smearf. We got a, I don't know what the heck that is. We got that one. That one. That one. And oh, nice card. Yeah, okay. Alright. This is getting kind of interesting. Let's do one more pack. Maybe this guy. Start with that guy right there. Maybe just one more. I don't know. I'm not feeling it today. I am feeling it today. Oh, crap. Another white cool card back. You know what? Let's keep pulling until we get another card. Get that card. 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 And oh, nice. Alright, let's see if we can get full of the next Mew pack here. I'm gonna pull another one. Dang it. White code card again. We got Fire Energy. That one. That one. Let's go through this one really fast. That one. That one. That one. Jigglypuff. Another Jigglypuff. Oh no, why don't we? Alright, let's show this guy. Oh no, I never pull something like this guy. I have to mumble into myself over here. White code card again. Let's go fly through these ones here. Water. That one. That one. That one. That one. That one. That one. I know you're not seeing these, but I get that one. But alrighty. I just want to pull something again. That was kind of funny. Start with another Mew pack here. more card. Oh, finally. Alright, let's do the last pack right here. Let me finally pull a good card on the Mew pack. Alright, see if we can pull that Mew B. Alright, we got that card right there. There. Got a P and Toxicity Fusion Strike. Alrighty. You know what, while we're having fun, let's just pull this last pack and we can just have 4 more. Four tomorrow. We can get 4 packs for tomorrow. Tomorrow's video. Oh, look at that. Black code card. Be a good video. Black code card. Fire energy. Probably. Flying through these. And Schoolboy Rainbow. Let's go in the Fusion Strike pack. My first rainbow. Let's go. Look at that card. That's a nice card. Holy cow. Holy cow. Draw 2 cards. The permanent. Ooh, that's a beauty. Oh. Oh. I'm getting so excited to see this guy up. Oh my gosh. Holy God. I am putting him in one of these. That's a nice card from another Fusion Strike pack. Alrighty. But yeah, look at that card. Nice for screen protected. Well, that would be a good card to end on. Let's go. Alright. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe for more. And let's hit that like button. We're going to get some more likes. More videos coming up. Alright, thanks guys. Peace.